we are taking a bathroom break because our department meeting ended up going on this like rant, like a frustration commiseration thing about like MTSS because our new superintendent is rolling out like MTSS, which I mean, it's good for all schools to have because we want to support all of our students, but it is a big, overwhelming task. We're kind of tasked to help with that process, but when not everyone in the school is on board and we just don't have the staff and the resources, and there's just like so much need, people get frustrated. And so people were just talking about like why this isn't gonna work, blah blah blah, and then like everyone's like chiming in and it got like super negative, and so we're taking a break.
My baby hairs are slowly but steadily growing out from when I lost all my hair postpartum. We'll ignore that. I'm currently having lunch. It is 1:30, and kids get out at 2:55, so I usually have lunch around 12. Today I kind of got wrapped up in a meeting with a couple of the counselors, which I'm really excited to tell you about. But for lunch we have leftover chicken parm from my sister-in-law's bridal shower that we threw her, and then Caesar salad from the same place. Their Caesar salad is amazing. The croutons got soggy, so I threw those out, but their dressing is so good. And also some yogurt. Always gotta have yogurt. So today's psych meeting went well after our break, after everyone was like venting and spewing all that negativity and frustrations. We came back together, and our department leaders, they chatted, I guess, during the break, and they gave us some encouragement and a little bit more guidance, so that was helpful. I guess like all that to say, like systems change is hard, and you need more than one person, so it really needs to be like a mindset shift, and you need buy-in from the people on top. So that's your admin, your principal. They have to know what's going on, and they have to be there to support and lead this process, and you are there as a support person. I completely agree with all that. And then after my meeting, I went to go like say hi to a couple of the counselors, and I saw that on their calendar they had something called like Rainbow Alliance, so I asked about it, and I asked if I could be a part of it. Kind of like a gender sexuality alliance club, but I think for the middle school level, Rainbow Alliance seems like better suiting name. We would love to create a safe space for our students. Oh, but I'm definitely learning like the systems level, like red tape barriers, resources, like how to navigate, and it's good to have allies, people who have been in the system for a while, people who have a voice, just people who can work with you to go about these changes. Also, my school is paying for free after school like workout classes for the staff, and a couple of counselors are doing it, and they're like dragging me to be there too. So I brought all my stuff. I lost my yoga mat during our flood last year. Like we stayed with my parents in the basement, and the basement flooded, so we lost a lot of stuff, which really sucked, including my really nice yoga mat. I think it was Lululemon, so I didn't even use it that many times. It was super nice. Got ruined in the nasty floodwater. And then I don't know where my other like cheap yoga mats are, so I have to go out and buy one. I thought about like stopping by Walmart this morning, but of course I was running late again. But like I said, it is the first week of October. Everything fall has come out already, like starting in August. Trader Joe's has these pumpkin spice cookies. They're like frosted, really yummy, so good. I brought like a ton of like Trader Joe's pumpkin stuff to share with the counseling department and like people in the front office last week. Oh, so it is 2:05. For the rest of the time, I'm gonna make a video for this bullying prevention contest to kind of promote it for the morning announcements, where students can either submit like a video or digital poster, like artwork, to raise awareness of cyberbullying, how to be an upstander, how to prevent bullying, and to create a better environment in schools. So it's one of my projects this year. I really wanted to do it last year, but kind of got pushed back because there was a lot going on. So this year I brought it up really early, like beginning of September, and now we're doing it. So I already created the poster and the submission link and everything. I just need to make this video for the morning announcements. And I figured today's look is cute enough to record this. I'm gonna try that. And then I'm also gonna start prepping for my meetings this week. Our meeting day is typically Thursday. So I'm gonna look over revals and whatever sign-offs that we have coming up. Look over all of the past reports and whatever data we have to, prep some notes so that I'm not blindsided when I attend this meeting. Okay, also I went shopping for some fall stuff. Check out this really cute little porcelain ceramic Halloween thing. Very festive, right? It's so cute. Holds my candy. Alright, so I recorded it. I don't love it, but I'm gonna take it home and see how much editing I can do to make it short and captivating, and I don't know. I'm gonna try to work with it. Okay, it's 2:20. I really don't want to do file reviews, but maybe I could do it tomorrow. I did rearrange my office a little bit because I just felt kind of weird sitting over there. Like the way the desk was facing, I could see people as they were walking down the hallway, and if we I don't know, locked eyes, it would just be kind of awkward. Whereas the way I'm sitting now, I would see them just walking, and it they would have to turn their head fully to look at me. So basically, I guess I'm hiding behind a door, but it's just better for me if I wanted to, see who's passing by without awkwardly staring into their eyes. Maybe if a student is available, I'll go in for an observation right now. So let me go check their schedule. I already have 2 testing cases, which is, I guess I'd rather just get them over with. All right, so the teacher did tell me last week that I can come sometime in the afternoon, and he works better then. So I'm gonna go now to see if he's here and to see if it's good to observe. Just gonna take my computer, do a narrative. All right, it is 2:58, end of the day. Woo woo! I did my observation, and it was in a small group setting, so I might go and observe the student in a gen ed class to see if there's any difference. Gonna write those up this week, and probably gonna start pulling them out for testing so I can get that done. And I have a workout class after school starting, I think 3:15. Probably give the teachers time to dismiss students and change. Yeah, and then I'm gonna head home. Yep, that's it. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.
Dallas moves right here to Tampa. Terrible offense.